The next category of gadgets are technology gadgets. And if you're interested in technology and tech news, definitely check these out. Just some of the stuff right up front, an Einstein quote. So this is going to be a lot of science stuff, of course, and then tech stuff, a lot of space stuff, it looks like, as well. Totally free crap. That's cool. NASA image of the day. So you can kind of go through these. A map of USA webcams. So kind of cool nerd stuff. Discovery Channel top news stories. Slashdot. Especially if you use some tech websites like Slashdot, they're probably going to be on here. So check those out. Salon. Let's check out the gadgets we just added. So pulling from Salon, you see we've got news stories from Slashdot. So it's going to be a lot of just kind of tech news, as well as some of these other cool things like the solar system. And we've got some cool options here. Some cool options in this gadget, but a lot of news stories. Here's our webcam map. And this is our first look at a map gadget, but it's pretty cool how it's all right there. It's using Google Maps, so that's nice. NASA's Earth Observatory. This image of the day doesn't seem to be working. Let's see if we can get it to work. Nope. But those are the technology gadgets that you can add to your homepage in iGoogle.